So the time has come to pack up the RV after 61 days here in Grand Isle.
Very sad. Kinda.
Oh, I'm definitely ready to move on to some new adventures.
I need a break. I need a break. I'm ready to fish some different areas. Coming down here, the water was perfect, but it was like no wind, but it was like no tide, so it was like stagnant. I didn't see anybody catching anything, so that made me feel a little bit better. But the RV park's filling up. People are already here for the summer.
Yeah, we just got a new neighbor today next to us, and when we got
First
here,
time in a month.
Yeah, somebody was already behind us, so I bet May is going to be popping here at Bridgeside.
Yeah, we're getting surrounded.
We got some really exciting news for you that we're going to share in our next video, and I guess I'm going to insert our little like memory thing from our 2 months here in Grand Isle.
It's pretty good.
At the start of the end, here comes your white knight. Got a foot on the edge, looking over the ledge, and everything will be just fine, turning inside out.
So we didn't expect to be here on March 1st, but we made it to Grand Isle, Louisiana.
Story is death and glory, and tomorrow the sun will rise and we'll start over again. We'll write a different story. We'll start over again. A tale of gods and glory. You gotta put up a fight.
Alright, we're taking the boat out from Bridgeside Marina.
When it's all coming towards you, backed into a corner, it's time to find a way. Don't back down, just keep going. At the turn of the tide, only help you can find is the will to carry on.
Me, Lauren, and Bobby are walking over to the Paddle Palooza Pavilion setup.
Tale of gods and glory. I leave my past behind me. We'll write a different story.
A little crazy on the island. I don't know how well you can see our neighbors. Our neighbors' pop-up camper just imploded.
So since the RV's been here so long, we've got to go slow and steady with our usual checklist of getting everything picked up, but we've also got a few extra steps we've got to do along the way. We're going to double check all the tires, and I think we might give her a little bath because she's pretty sandy. What else? Oh, we got to get the Pit Boss griddle back, and I don't know, the actual Pit Boss.
In the truck.
Well, we hope it doesn't die. It's like got slightly ruined in all of the storms. We're hoping we can fix it when we get home, but we've already brought the kayaks back, so all the fishing stuff's just going to stay in the RV. That makes it easy enough. But
it's a compressor. It was at Home Depot. Nothing fancy. It works pretty good, but I don't know, it takes forever. It was a lot easier. I was surprised than it was. in the colder months. The air didn't really leak out of the tires much throughout the 2 months that we were here. So always check. So when we were getting ready to leave this morning, I noticed that our water pump is not working, and I'm not sure when this happened, but it is another problem for us to solve.
Yeah, I've got everything else. Yeah, that's the only one that came up. The other stabilizers did not come up. This one came up halfway in the back. Threw some WD-40 on it. Man, it hadn't been that busy since we had been there the entire time. I can imagine what June and July is like. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.